Ever wondered what the forest animals are up to? Let us find out. I'm the deer. I love enjoying the peace and heat of the forest. Nut gathering and tree climbing are my specialties. I am here to keep watch and share the secrets of the night. Yeah, we are the rabbits, hopping and exploring every nook and cranny. I am a fish, drifting peacefully in the stream. Hello from the bear family. I'm done sticking my cups the ways of the forest. Thanks for meeting our forest friends. Follow for more glimpses into their amazing world.